In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Todoist. When people talk about resetting Todoist, they usually mean starting completely fresh, with all their existing tasks and projects removed. That's exactly what we'll walk through here. By the end, you'll know how to clear out a project and then fully delete your Todoist account, so you can start over from scratch if you want to. Just keep in mind, deleting your account is permanent, so only do this if you're sure you don't need any of your current data. Let's begin inside your Todoist workspace. First, open the project that you want to remove. In the top right corner of that project's view, look for the three dots icon. This is usually the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is where Todoist hides actions like renaming, exporting, and in our case, deleting the project. From the menu that appears, find and click on Delete. Todoist will usually double check that this is what you really want, because deleting a project will remove all the tasks inside it. When that confirmation appears, click Delete again to confirm. Once you do, that project and everything in it will be permanently removed from your list of projects. If your goal is just to clear out a few projects, you can repeat that same process for any other projects you want to remove. Open the project, click the three dots, choose Delete, and confirm. This alone can give you a cleaner, more focused Todoist setup. However, if by reset you mean wiping your entire account and all associated data, the next steps will guide you through deleting your account completely. Look toward the upper right area of the Todoist interface and click on your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar circle. When you click that, a small drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel with several tabs for customizing your Todoist experience. Here, click on the tab labeled Account. This is where you manage things related to your login and overall account status. On the account page, look for the option that says Delete Account. Click on that. Todoist will present a series of on-screen prompts to confirm that you really want to go through with this, since it will remove all of your projects, tasks, and data. Carefully read each message and follow the instructions, which may include confirming your password or acknowledging that this action is permanent. Once you've completed those prompts, your Todoist account will be deleted, giving you the clean slate you were looking for.